Hi guys! Rest Assured is a Java library, and I like to use Maven for dependency management in my Java projects. So let's create and configure Maven project in this lecture. You do not have to use Maven to use Rest Assured, but if you are new to Java, I suggest doing the same as I do. Before we create project, we need to have Java and Maven installed on our machine. I am using JDK 11, but you can use other JDK versions, but do not use JDK older than 1.8. If you do not have Java JDK, you should know where to get it and how to install it. Also, as I said, I will be using Maven in my project. Maven is the build management tool used primarily for Java applications, and I will use it in my Java project for better structure and easy dependency management. You do not have to use Maven. Rest Assured doesn't require use of Maven. And if you have some previous Java developing experience without Maven, you can do it. If you took my Selenium for Beginners course, then the framework structure I will be using here will be familiar to you. And you should know already how to create Maven project. I am using Eclipse IDE for this course, but you can use any other IDE if you prefer. So as you see, I already created a new Maven project and added Maven compiler plugin and Maven Surefire plugin to my POM.xml file and configured project to use JDK 11. Next, I will add TestNG dependency. TestNG is the testing framework based on JUnit. Even if you have experience with JUnit and never used TestNG before, I suggest you follow me and use TestNG for this course. We will be using some of the TestNG features that are not available in JUnit. As I said before, we use Maven to manage all the libraries we need to use in the code. So instead of downloading jar files, we need to add dependency to POM file. On this page, select the latest version of TestNG dependency and then just copy it. So 7.1 and copy this dependency. And here let's add dependencies section. Ctrl space for shortcuts, select dependencies, and let's paste our dependency here. I will go to source and format to make my POM.xml file look a little bit nicer, and let's save the project. So as you see, as soon as we saved, this Maven dependency folder showed up here, and now we see TestNG jar. So we do not need to download jars manually, Maven will do it for us. That's why I like to use Maven. Also, we need to remove this line, scope test. If you leave it here, you will still be able to finish this course without any issues. But if you decide to expand your project in the future, this line may cause problems as it is limiting TestNG dependency. So let's just remove this scope test and save. And if you are new to Maven, most of the time after you save POM.xml file, it's good to right click on the project, select Maven, and here update project. Okay. Now with TestNG you can run tests from command line or using Eclipse run configuration. But when developing tests and you need to quickly run and verify results, TestNG Eclipse plugin comes in handy. So let's add it to our Eclipse. In addition to easy test runs and debugs, it will give us nice visual representation of test results. If you are using IntelliJ instead of Eclipse, then plugin also available for IDEA here. But since I use Eclipse, I will use instruction for Eclipse how to add the plugin. And let's click here, install the plugin, if you do not have it, and scroll down. There are two ways of installing Eclipse plugin for TestNG. But first install via Eclipse Marketplace no longer works. It's still here on the TestNG documentation, but they do not have Eclipse TestNG plugin on the marketplace for the latest Eclipse versions. So instead, use these instructions to install TestNG Eclipse plugin. And after you install TestNG Eclipse plugin, the last step, let's finally add a REST assured dependency. So let's select latest REST assured version, copy dependency, and add it to our POM.xml file. I will push Ctrl-Shift-F buttons or just source format to make POM.xml file a little bit nicer, and save, and right click Maven, update project. And as you see, a REST assured jar file is added to our Maven dependencies.